Libra, something that's planned for you is needed. What you need, Libra? You feel like you need something, or somebody needs something in regards to a space with you. Alright, someone can't continue without something from you, Libra. They need the balance that Libra can bring, because can't nobody bring balance the way Libra bring balance. Or you feel like you need something. You don't have to let me know, alright, on the splits. You may be nurturing the situation, you working on something, because you think highly of something. Something has been, you may have been dwelling on an idea or a passion for a while. You developed a lot of different perspectives and or mentalities, and now you're getting to work on it. Now you're putting in the extra drill time required for something, because you need to obtain something. You need this outcome to occur. Or someone needs something in regards to the situation with you. They nurturing the idea of the space with Libra, and they want to work on something with Libra. Put your foot in the shoe that fits you. It's all speculation, though. Ain't nothing solid until something drop out. Libra. I said I need this pickle in the field, and then I need. There you go. First card out, devil in reverse. There you go. You put the devil down because you thinking about your abundance. Now you looking at, see, the devil may need you. You don't need the devil though, and now the devil try to come bring you some emotional offers. You looking at every emotional offer that come your way like, is this solid? Can I build ideas off of this? And you realize when you was dabbling with the devils and the demons, lower mentalities, lower ideas, lower spaces, bad ideas, bad people, you feel me? Whatever it is for you. You realize them shits wasn't putting you in the space to develop higher ideas or just positive mentalities that will suit your reality. So you put the devil down in order to open up in regards to what you're passionate about. Oh shit. Yeah, look now. Ho. See this flip? See, you may have ended something. And that puts someone outside of you in conflict. What you got going on there, Libra? What you got going on, Libra? You focus on your emotional happiness now. You focus on your family, your mentalities, your ideas, what you got going on. And what you got going on or what you want to have going on don't got shit to do with a devil. So you ended some toxic mentalities, toxic habits. You used to participate in a space that was nothing but you being controlling, or you participated in a space with people that were nothing but controlling. You put your foot in the shoe that fits you. Whatever you ended though, I'm telling you. Whether you brought some, because when Libra speak the truth, Libra truth come out a little sharp on the tongue, candy rain. See, you try to make it sweet. See, but regardless, you made it rain. So you made somebody's sunny day real cloudy, but you did it with a little bit of sugar too. You sprinkled some sweet nothings on it. You was like, I'm not fucking with you no more. But you know, it is. I don't know how you feel me. You gonna have to let me know how you mangled that. But Libra could put some words together. Libra will throw some shit together that fuck somebody up, but they can't even be mad that day. You feel me? About Libra, but it's just how Libra will say something. You did. And what you said put somebody in conflict. How you address something. You told somebody, you know what, you ain't nothing but a toxic motherfucker. I ain't fucking with you no more. We're done here. And you killed somebody's whole mentality. You killed somebody's whole reality. Someone built a world off of Libra harboring these toxic habits and or routines and patterns. But Libra gained a new emotional perspective that made Libra cut all the bullshit out. Or, in regards to an emotional value, if it's you versus you, you may have put down a toxic habit. You killed a mentality, you killed some emotions, you killed some feelings. You killed some relationships, some association, whatever it is. You popped a bubble that you were in. It was like a toxic space you used to participate in. And some secrets came out regarding this toxic space, and that made you end it. You killed that manifestation, that mentality, that space that you manifested, right? You killed it with got killed with the truth. Put the devil down. But you were in the space. So when you popped the bubble, you fell too. You got in conflict too because you invested already. You already exchanged feelings and emotions with it. So it's like, yeah, you ended something, but you going through some conflict your damn self because of something you ended. Or if it's you versus someone outside of you, you see the devil, the cat's out the bag, and you see the devil for the devil. So you ended those mentalities, or you just popped that space you and the devil shared. Now someone outside of you is in conflict because of something they invested in emotionally. You feel me? That ended up bringing them to a lower mental state or lower third dimensional state than they're instead of a higher third dimensional state. Look, I just seen the 10 of coins and then I seen the magician. So it's like, 10 of wands. So someone manifested burdens. Whether it was you or someone you're dealing with. Look, you ain't holding your tongue in regards to the devil no more. Libra said, I'm not covering the devil no more. I don't got nothing to do with this. And look, something was unbalanced. Or you may be unbalanced. It's like you may be ending something. Look, Libra done made a feature with the justice. You may be bringing something to balance with some communication. You're bringing balance. This is a balance you are guided to bring. Only you can bring balance to your reality the way you need to bring balance to your reality. You dig me? That balance required you to not only kill a mentality of yourself, but end some toxic situations or spaces you used to participate in. Mental spaces or third dimensional spaces. You had to end partnerships and relationships. Now, because you are still in that space, in that bubble, when you popped it, you fell and you got in conflict. You also became unbalanced. But it's like a setback for a major comeback type situation. Or someone outside of you is in conflict because a situation they share with you is no longer balanced. Libra's no longer investing in the devil. You rather kill this situation. You rather let this situation die because it wasn't balanced from the beginning. Someone was taking from you more than they were giving to you. They took from you so much, you became unbalanced. So now you ended that. And now that what you ended, whatever space, the people, places, and things that's in the space that you decided to end are caught up in some bullshit now. They in drama. They in their mentalities. They in conflict because of something that they emotionally invested in. Look, emotionally invested in that was immature. I gotta see. Look, again, whether it's because you gained a passion, you realized something, so you was bringing balance to a situation, and it was like someone was gaining attention through your passion. It was like someone was leeching off of you, but you put an end to that. You popped the bubble. You killed the mentality. You ended the devilish act. It's like you stepped on the lizard because the lizard was trying to represent and stand for your passion. And it was like, what is this? PIMP. PIMP. It's like you put someone in their place, basically. And when I say you put someone in their place, you really put someone in their place. You may have became aware of some secrets because the moon is back, but it's in reverse. That the secrets you ain't like in regards to the space you shared with this lizard, the space you shared with these people, and that ended the balance or the mental balance or the third dimensional balance you used to think. You may have used to think a situation was balanced. That's why you were participating in it. I don't mind letting this lizard stand up here with me regarding what I built and my passions. But then you quickly realize something was unbalanced. That realization put someone in conflict because it's like you realize the emotion someone brought to you only made you sink instead of swim. You feel me? So you ended it. You put the devil down. You don't have to let me know. Now, whether you are affected because of this ending as well, again, that's the shoe size that I can't tell you that. You got to tell me that. But I'm gonna fuck with you.